For the installation of the LG100 surface-mounted unit, you will need the unit, the selected design front, plastic pipes, plastic grills, the drill template, and the installation manual. Before mounting the surface-mounted unit, the slide-in module must be removed from the housing and put aside. To help you drill the openings for the outdoor air and exhaust air connections and the sights for mounting, a drill template is provided. The drill template must be correctly aligned vertically and horizontally and attached to the wall. Using a 142 mm drill, prepare the necessary holes and use these to mount the housing using screws and wall plugs. Prepare a wall groove using a wall grinder. Put the conduits in place and insert the cables. The cables must extend at least 40 centimeters beyond the mounting site. Cut the 1 meter plastic pipe to a length appropriate to the wall thickness. If total wall thickness is greater than 50 centimeters, it will be necessary to use 2 plastic pipes. The outdoor air and exhaust air ducts must be mounted with a slight slope towards the outside. These ducts must be insulated against the formation of condensation using self-adhesive, closed-cell foam material, and must be coated in foam all around. Hang the housing from the screws, which are then tightened. Fill gaps on the outside wall between the drilled holes and the outdoor and exhaust air ducts with assembly foam. Depending on type, the plastic grills can be mounted from the inside or outside after facade plaster has been applied. The slide-in module is placed onto the housing in a slanted manner, allowing the connecting cables to enter the cable duct of the control. Then the slide-in module is inserted into the housing. First, remove the control housing before connecting it to a power supply. The power cable must be firmly attached to the control housing using cable ties. If the unit is to be connected to a building services control system or to an operating control unit, the second cable is to be attached in accordance with the connection plan. Once the cable has been attached, reinstall the control housing. The slide-in module can now be attached to the surface-mounted housing using the 4 screws supplied. The 2 air regulation vent plates must be fully open to allow the airflow to pass unimpeded across the design front. To close the unit, attach the design front to the suspension points on the slide-in module.